Hey guys, this is Loreli with WTI. If you're on the lookout for a nightlight that is as delightful as it is functional, let me show you the Dot silicone nightlight. I like to think of this lamp as a product that promises to light up your nights and your smile as well. I bought it for me. I'm a 35-year-old woman who loves cute things, and this is definitely it. I also wanted a lamp that I could stow away when I'm not using it. One of the things I really like about this lamp is that it is rechargeable, so I can still even use it if the power went out for some reason. I can also take it with me anywhere I go because it is small enough to occupy barely any space in my luggage. And it's such a nice subtle light that you could definitely sleep with it on. Which brings me to the next reason why I love this night lamp. It has a 20-minute timer, so you can set it up automatically to turn off after 20 minutes of use. I can turn it on or change the brightness by just squishing it, which I find incredibly cute, and it's really the main reason I got it. I mean, just look at it and how cute it looks. I am honestly in love with this lamp. So if you like animals and cute things, and for your inner child or even your real child, I think you're gonna love this lamp as much as I do. And that is my point of view.